2018 Mercedes GLC that it didn't come with the front camera, didn't come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and we add all these functions to it. We start from the front camera. So front camera goes underneath of the Mercedes emblem, and it's flash mounted to that area without exposing any wires, and it looks like factory. So we show you by the time we start the unit how fast the unit can connect to Apple CarPlay. And voila, we are here. It's really user-friendly main menu, and you can have access to the front camera from this menu. So it's really convenient when you want to park the car. Using the factory reverse camera, and switches automatically to the aftermarket front camera for few seconds. It retains all the factory functions, including the command knob, so you can control the Apple CarPlay with the command knob. You can use Siri without touching any command knob. Hey Siri, go to closest gas station using Google Maps.
The closest one I see is Petro Canada on Woodbine Avenue. Getting directions to Petro Canada using Google Maps.
Using your favorite apps to play your favorite songs, like Spotify.
I see you looking, why don't you speak? If you wanna take a ride.
Comes with USB flash storage, so you can play your multimedia through the USB.
Past isn't dead. James, fate draws us back together. Now your enemy's my enemy.
His name is Seven.
And what does he want?
Revenge. Me.
And you can do screen mirroring. obviously you can do Android Auto and it's wireless. Go home.
Navigating to home. Head south toward Conrad Crescent.